Today's video is about one of the new cue cards that the examiner might ask you if you are going to sit in the IELTS exam shortly. The name of the cue card is talk about a place in your country you would like to recommend others. Cues can be what this place is, where it is located, have you been there, and why would you recommend it to others. There are hundreds and hundreds of places, especially if I talk about my country, India, and I must say that there are dozens, or I would say hundreds of places which are worth seeing for everyone, and they all need to be recommended. But since I'm from Punjab, I will certainly recommend the Golden Temple, and there are loads of reasons why I would recommend, and that's what you would find in today's sample answer. Without wasting the time, let's check out the sample answer of this particular cue card. But at the same time, I highly recommend you, if you are new on this channel, must subscribe the channel and access 1000+ videos that are going to help you in your IELTS test preparation. At the same time, you can also access IELTS Speaking Booster, my ebook that covers each and every aspect of the speaking IELTS exam, and it can certainly help you to achieve the dream scores or beyond your expectation. You can expect anything like 7 or 8 if you practice using IELTS Speaking Booster. The sample answer of this cue card should go something like this. Well, India is a diverse country, and it's one of the most popular tourist destinations, as there are hundreds of worth-seeing places. One place that I would surely recommend everyone to visit for sure at least once in a lifetime is the city Amritsar. Amritsar is one of the most historical cities of Punjab, and it is especially popular worldwide because of the presence of Golden Temple. I have been to Amritsar and have visited Golden Temple many times, and there are few things that I would like to recommend here to others who have not visited this place yet. Golden Temple is also considered as to be the 8th wonder of the world. It is one of the most important historical temple of Sikhs. As the name reflects, the building is actually made of pure gold, in fact tons of gold. The unique architecture of this building makes it super special because the prime building is erected right in the middle of the holy pond. Millions of tourists from all different parts of the world visit Amritsar each year, and they pay their obeisance at Golden Temple. But I must say that visitors should definitely check out the food at Amritsar, because it is one of the best places to try Punjabi food, as they can enjoy authentic Punjabi taste here. Well, there are hundreds of fine dine restaurants and thousands of food corners where people can enjoy a wide range of food. Now, I must say that one thing that makes Amritsar very special, it is more like a shopper's paradise. There are many malls and shopping strips from where people can buy anything, but it is particularly or especially famous for the traditional objects of Punjab. So all these things make Amritsar more like a tourist hub where they can find everything. And overall, it is one place in my country that I would definitely recommend others to visit. And this is the sample answer of today's cue card, and there can be some tricky follow-ups as well. For example, why people check the reviews and ratings to the places they visit, how it can have a positive or a negative impact. Then there can be questions like what influenced people to travel to different places, and many others. And if you are looking for the sample answer to these follow-ups, you should definitely unlock a copy of the Speaking Booster on your phones. It would take less than 30 seconds, and no matter what part of country or the world you are, you can access Speaking Booster and start practicing for IELTS today. This is very much all in today's video. Bye bye for now.